Setting clear and achievable goals for a purposeful journey. In the vast expanse of human experience, the desire for progress and fulfillment is a universal constant. We strive, we dream, we aspire. Yet, without a guiding star, these aspirations can remain adrift, lost in the sea of daily demands. This is where the power of goal setting emerges, a fundamental tool for navigating the complexities of life and charting a course towards a desired destination. However, the efficacy of goal setting hinges on its clarity and achievability. Vague ambitions and unrealistic targets often lead to frustration and disillusionment, while well-defined and attainable goals act as a potent catalyst for motivation and success. 2. The foundation. Defining clarity. The first step in effective goal setting is to cultivate clarity. This involves transforming abstract desires into concrete, measurable objectives. Instead of simply wishing to be successful, one must define what success entails. Is it financial stability, career advancement, personal growth, or a combination thereof? The more specific the goal, the easier it is to visualize and strategize. Consider the difference between getting in shape and losing 10 pounds and being able to run a 5K within 3 months. The latter provides a clear metric for progress, allowing for targeted action and measurable results. 3. Similarly, in a professional context, increasing sales is less effective than increasing sales by 15% in the next quarter by focusing on targeted marketing campaigns. The SMART framework, a blueprint for achievability. To ensure goals are not only clear but also achievable, the SMART framework provides a valuable structure. 4. SMART stands for specific. As discussed, goals must be well defined and leave no room for ambiguity. Measurable. Progress should be quantifiable, allowing for tracking and evaluation. 5. Achievable. Goals should be challenging but realistic, taking into account available resources and capabilities. 6. Relevant. Goals should align with broader values and long-term objectives. 7. Time-bound. A deadline creates a sense of urgency and fosters accountability. 8. Applying the SMART framework to a personal development goal, I want to learn a new language, becomes, I will achieve conversational fluency in Spanish by dedicating 30 minutes to online lessons and 15 minutes to practice with a language partner daily for the next 6 months. This goal is specific: conversational fluency, measurable, daily study time, language partner practice, achievable, realistic time commitment, relevant, personal growth, and time-bound, 6 months. Breaking down the journey. Sub-goals and milestones. Even well-defined goals can seem daunting when viewed as a single, monolithic task. This is where breaking them down into smaller, more manageable sub-goals becomes crucial. Sub-goals act as stepping stones, providing a sense of progress and maintaining momentum. 9. For example, the goal of writing a novel can be divided into sub-goals such as developing a plot outline, creating character profiles, writing a certain number of words per day or week, completing a first draft, revising and editing. Each sub-goal represents a tangible accomplishment, fostering a sense of progress and boosting confidence. 10. Similarly, in a business project, milestones can be set for key deliverables, ensuring the project stays on track and within budget. 11. The power of visualization and affirmation. Beyond the practical aspects of goal setting, the psychological dimensions play a significant role. Visualization and affirmation can be powerful tools for reinforcing goals and cultivating a positive mindset. 12. Visualization involves creating a vivid mental image of achieving the desired outcome. 13. This mental rehearsal can enhance motivation and focus, allowing individuals to anticipate challenges and develop strategies for overcoming them. Affirmations, on the other hand, are positive statements that reinforce desired beliefs and behaviors. 14. Regularly repeating affirmations can help reprogram negative thought patterns and cultivate a sense of self-efficacy. 15. For instance, someone aiming to improve their public speaking skills might visualize themselves confidently delivering a presentation and repeat affirmations such as, "I am a confident and articulate speaker." Overcoming obstacles and maintaining momentum. The journey towards achieving goals is rarely linear. Obstacles and setbacks are inevitable. However, it is how individuals respond to these challenges that ultimately determines their success. 16. Anticipate challenges. By proactively identifying potential obstacles, individuals can develop contingency plans and mitigate risks. 17. Embrace flexibility. Goals should be adaptable, allowing for adjustments in response to changing circumstances. 18. Learn from setbacks. Failures are not endpoints but opportunities for learning and growth. 19. Seek support. Surrounding oneself with supportive individuals can provide encouragement and accountability. 20. Celebrate progress. Acknowledging and celebrating small victories can reinforce motivation and maintain momentum. 21. The intrinsic value of goal setting. Beyond the tangible outcomes, goal setting offers profound intrinsic benefits. It fosters a sense of purpose, cultivates self-discipline, and enhances self-awareness. By aligning actions with values and aspirations, individuals can live more meaningful and fulfilling lives. Goal setting can also improve mental health. Having goals can give a person a sense of control, and a sense of direction. 22. It can also help to alleviate feelings of helplessness. In conclusion, setting clear and achievable goals is not merely a task but a transformative process. It is a journey of self-discovery, a testament to human potential, and a pathway to a life of purpose and fulfillment. By embracing the principles of clarity, achievability, and resilience, individuals can harness the power of goal setting to navigate the complexities of life and create a future that aligns with their deepest aspirations. The compass within, when properly calibrated, will guide us to our desired destination.